I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Instagram's incorrect password on your iPhone. First, navigate to the Instagram app on your phone. You need to enter your username and password to log in. If you don't remember your password, then tap Forgot Password. To find your account, enter your email address. Next, go to the Settings app on your phone. Here, scroll down to find and tap the Apps option. In the list of apps, reach the Instagram app and tap on it to find the password option. Then head back to Settings and go to the General option. After that, select iPhone storage and tap Instagram. Here, hit the Offload app and it will delete the app. Reinstalling can fix all the issues occurring. Now open the App Store and search for Instagram. Then tap Update to get the latest version of the app to avoid issues.